In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and embed custom widgets in Notion. You can use widgets like charts, clocks, calendars, or other interactive tools to make your workspace more useful. Let's get started. Choose the widget you want to embed from a website that provides embeddable widgets such as a chart, calendar, or clock. Customize the widget by selecting the options you want, including its size, theme, or displayed content. Once you're happy with the settings, copy the widget's embed URL or embed code depending on what the website provides. Open the Notion page where you want to add the widget. Type embed and select the embed block, or simply paste the widget's URL into the page and choose create embed if prompted. If you're using HTML embed code, you'll first need to host it on a web page or use a service that provides a shareable URL, since Notion embeds web pages rather than raw HTML code. After the widget loads, resize the embed block so it fits your page layout. You can move it anywhere on the page to create a dashboard that works for your needs. That's how to create and embed custom widgets in Notion. Thanks for watching.